How to check your Instagram block list. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will be led to the settings and activity page of Instagram. In here, scroll down to the Who Can See Your Content tab and then tap on the blocked option. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see all the individuals that you have blocked on Instagram. And for instance, if you want to unblock someone, then you can tap on the unblock option you see there, and when prompted, tap on unblock again, and with this, that particular individual will be unblocked. So, this is how you can check your Instagram block list. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.